Welcome to Keep It Simple Screenprinter. Today we're going to cover a basic way to coat a screen to get uniform results every time. We're going to be doing a 110 mesh, so we're going to be using the fat edge of our scoop coater here. The things we're going to take a look at is the black plastic edges here. These are angled guides. Now to hold the scoop coater, we've got a little groove here. We're going to put our fingers under the groove in the center of the scoop coater. Our thumb will be running parallel along the back of the scoop coater. So the scoop coater is very easily and very firmly held in my hand and I can control. We're going to be coating on a table today without any brace support. When you're coating the screen, I find it easier if you try to coat the screen straight up and you're putting pressure on the screen, you do run the risk of the bottom of the frame kicking out underneath you. So, when coating the screen, we will tilt the frame back slightly, putting our hand across the top, along the side, so that we can firmly hold it in place along the table. We start about an inch up. You do not have to come all the way down. If you get off the edge of the frame when you come in, you're just going to make a mess. So we come about a ½ inch to an inch up. We're going to tilt the scoop coater forward until the black edges seal. Black edges are sealed along there. My pressure is all on my fingertips. And we're going to listen for a whistling noise. When we get towards the top, we will stop, tilt back, let the emulsion run in, and we will scrape off. Once again, we'll come down, trough, tilt forward, black edges seal. If you come forward and look, on the inside of the scoop coater, if I put my pressure on my thumb, instead of my fingertips, I actually rock the bottom of the scoop coater out and open. So the emulsion will drop out and will run down your screen. But it will also cause, if you just do a minor pressure, it will cause you to have lines in your screen, varying deposit. So my pressure is on my fingertips, my thumb is just balancing. Up, stop, tilt back, emulsion runs in, we'll scrape off. Now we'll do a live run with emulsion. Once again, I'm in the center, fingertips are under the guide, thumb is running parallel along the back. Stand my screen up, tilt it back slightly, firm pressure down so that it's held firmly to the table. Scoop coater is centered on the frame, about a ½ inch to an inch up from the bottom. I will tilt forward till the black edges seal. I will wait until the emulsion runs to both sides. Right now the emulsion is on both sides. Come up, tilt back, wait for the emulsion to run back in, and scrape off. I can come back down, and we can do another coat. Tilt back, wait for the emulsion to run in, and scrape off. We'll then flip around, come to the inside of the frame. Same thing, we're going to get centered in the frame. We'll tilt, black edges seal, wait till the emulsion runs to both corners. Firm pressure on my fingertips. Tilt back, let the emulsion run in. Scrape off, and we have coated our screen. Thanks for watching.